Mayamang buhay para sa 2025. Ano po ba ang sinasabi ng Chinese astrology sa coming year 2025? Ito po ay Year of the Wood Snake. It is a time for growth, renewal, and building wealth. Ayan. Kailangan tayo mag-build ng ating wealth next year. Ito po ang mga common na sinasabi ng ating Google search. I-activate po natin ang mga Wing Chang star. So, ang mga anak natin ay magiging beneficial sa kanilang academic excellence, especially sa mga people born under the sign of ox, goat, and pig. Ayan. Ang aking anak po ay goat. So, siya ay born 1991. Tapos, i-use po natin ang treasure of wisdom. Yung ating mga pagdi-decide na tayo ay maging malago sa ating buhay. So you remember the wisdom of Solomon. Yan. We not only use our heart, our intelligence, but we use our heart to excel in our life for 2025. Ina-avoid po dapat natin yung mirror natin na nandoon sa entrance ng ating bahay at hindi dapat nakaharap ang mirror sa ating door. Go to my playlist po. May mga playlist po ako kung paano i-cure ang ating mga pinto, yung ating higaan, yung ating hapagkainan, yung ating stove, yung ating water. Nandoon po sa playlist ng aking mga feng shui for the itemized things that you should do for your living room, kitchen, and bedroom. Okay? So, gumamit daw po ng symbolism na nagre-reflect ng wealth. So, pag wala tayong masyadong pera na pambili ng mga mamahaling feng shui items, at least meron kang sarili mong simbolo na ikaw ay nagpro-project ng kayamanan sa iyong pamamahay. Ayan, kagaya ng mga jars na nagre-reflect ng magandang kulay. Ayan. Some say that 2025 will be a year of powerful and energetic changes. Marami pong mangyayari at mga oportunidad for transformation. Ang zodiac sign po na mataas ang level to really prosper in 2025 are Taurus and Gemini. So, you are most likely to attract significant wealth. After the year of the dragon, kasi dragon year po ngayon, siya ay mag-follow ang wood snake. The year of the wood snake in 2025 will bring a calmer, steadier energy than the 2024. Kasi medyo ang ingay ng Pilipinas last year, di ba? Dahil sa year of the dragon na wood. Ang wood kasi madaling masunog, kaya maingay last year. For the year of the wood snake, i-check natin ang kada zodiac sign in my next segments. The year of the wood snake will promise introspection, magmumuni-muni po tayo, wisdom and growth. Ayan. So each Chinese zodiac sign will experience unique challenges and opportunities. Ganyan. So, avoid po natin ang three killings energy. Avoid po tayo na yung ating likod ng ating body ay naka-face sa north. So wag po tayo magfe-face ng north. Wag po tayong lalagay ng mga any pointed object in the north side. Tapos mas maganda siguro pag ikaw ay nakaupo, doon ka sa southeast. Ayan, yung southeast mo ay kung ikaw ay nakaharap sa pinto or sa road outward, yung likod mo na southeast ay nasa kaliwang banda sa likuran mo, extreme left. Yan. So, kailangan kang mag-align dito sa energy ng Tai Su, so you can display a Tai Su plaque or plaque in the southeast sector of your home or office. I don't know kung ikaw ay believer. Ako po, kahit ako ay Catholic na ngayon ulit, ako ay believer ng Feng Shui kasi sa pananaliksik ko before, actually Feng Shui is just simple ergonomics. Parang napakasimple, di ba? Parang if you clean up your porch, if you clean up your kitchen, simple lang naman yan. You don't have to have faith in that. Napakasimple, madaling hanap ang mga gusto mong hanapin kung ikaw po ay naka-organize sa bawat area na supposedly powerful. May predictions po sa 12 signs about health, luck, wealth sa South China Morning Post. So, kailangan natin subaybayan ito sa aking segment, and it brings exciting astrological shifts with Taurus, Leo, Libra, Sagittarius, and Pisces, experiencing heightened luck. Wow! Ulitin ko po, ang heightened luck na mga zodiac sign ay Taurus, Leo, Libra, Sagittarius, and Pisces. The Jupiter's influence offers growth and abundance, while Venus enhances love and harmony. Magandang mag-asawa ang mga ito, Taurus, Leo, Libra, Sagittarius, and Pisces. These are the signs who are encouraged to embrace opportunities, fostering personal and professional transformation. Ang lucky color po ng 2025 ay red or gold na dapat mong isuot sa New Year's Eve to bring you great fortune. So, in summary lang po ha, kasi mahaba-haba na, ang Year of the Rat, ang dapat mong lucky color is gold, blue, and green. Sa Year of the Ox, white, yellow, and silver. Sa Tiger, orange, blue, and gray. Sa Rabbit, pink, purple, and green. Sa Dragon, gold, silver, and red. Sa Snake, black, green, and red. Sa Horse, yellow, orange, and brown. Sa Year of the Sheep or Goat, green, pink, and white. Sa Monkey, white, blue, and gold. Sa Rooster, yellow, brown, and orange. Sa Dog, red, green, and purple. Sa Pig, pink, yellow, and gray. In general, ang mga kulay na mag-a-attract ng kayamanan at income ay red, orange, purple, and maroon. The New Year's Eve, red or gold are said to attract good fortune, energy, and success. The Pantone Color Institute Scholar of the Year for 2025, Mocha Mousse is a rich warming brown hue. So may pag-aagaw ng parang mocha brown na hue ang Pantone 17-2030 Mocha Mousse. Ang luckiest po na horoscope ay Sagittarius, which is the ultimate optimist and not surprisingly one of the luckiest sign. Their adventurous spirit and positive outlook often attract good fortune. It is as if their enthusiasm acts as a magnet, pulling opportunities and exciting experience right into their path. But as I told you, sa mga sikreto ng wealthy persons, go to my playlist on the rich mindset and the habits of highly successful people na meron ako sa aking playlist. Pakinggan niyo po yun kung ano ang mga teknik ng pagyaman. Good luck for 2025 and I hope you listened up to this point for the tips na ikaw ay maging good luck or will have good luck by 2025. Thank you, and your subscription will give you the privilege to be prompted of my future topics.